software engineer. What's the difference? Okay, the age-old question. Are you ready for this? Now, I want to give you my personal opinion on software developer versus software engineer, which there isn't. But let's just find out. Okay, let's find out. Am I a software engineer or am I a software developer? Software plays an essential role in how we function in our daily lives. Okay, lovely. When comparing software engineers versus software developers, you'll find that software developers and engineers work together to ensure computer programs are effective. I work with software engineers? Damn. This article discusses developer versus engineer role, including their similarities and their differences. Okay. Here we go, people. Sit down. Let's find out which one of you guys are real engineers and not. Software developers design, develop, and customize computer software applications for many industries. They identify customer needs, develop software to meet those needs, and test and modify the software as needed. They often work directly with clients or as part of a team of developers, engineers, and programmers. Dude, there's a third category. We're not even going to discuss the third category? How could you do that? Can we pour one out for the poor programmers that they don't even get an honorable mention. They're just like passerbys. To create software solutions that meet their specific user needs. Okay, software developer salary and career growth. Hell yeah. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the BLS, probably drop the L and we'd be good. Software developers earn a median salary of $127,260. Unfortunately, they do spend $40,000 a year on soy lattes. So, it really isn't that much. Honestly, it really isn't that much money. Like, when you think about it that way, they're really actually living the life of poverty. You know what I mean? It's like povertous lifestyle. It's very, very difficult to wear Lululemon and drink soy lattes on 127. Okay. The job outlook for software developers is excellent, with employment projected to increase 26% from 2021 to 2031, according to the BLS. Okay, for all those AIs taking our jobs, software developer education requirements. All right, here we go. Software developers typically need a baccalaureate in software engineering, applied computer science, data science, software development, or a related discipline. A degree program typically includes mathematics, computer programming languages, and software design courses. Additionally, coding boot camps can be an excellent option for developing specific skills and gaining hands-on experience in skills like programming. Oh, programmers are just the pieces of shit. That's what that means, you dummy. Programmers are the ones that couldn't cut it with mathematics. And so therefore, they don't get to be a part of the developers. But I don't know if I'm an engineer. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know if I'm an engineer based on this article. Okay. Boot camps can give you a competitive edge in the job market. I'm big fan of edging. So, hey, if you can get some edging in, you know who to call. The boot campagen. Oh, wasn't there just recently a boot camp that got in a lot of trouble? Okay, so that camp, or the place that got in all that trouble, like a week before, they emailed me and they're like, yo, baby, I'd like to sit down, maybe appear on your stream, get people excited for a little boot camp. And I was like, oh, really? And they're like, oh, really? And then right afterwards, it was just like, could have been Lambda School. Anyways, boot camps can give you a competitive edge in the job market. It is not uncommon for software developers to have both a college degree and boot camp training. Poll right now. Forbes, you piece of... Poll, new poll. Is this true? Yes, I have both. No? None. I have never heard of someone having both a college degree and boot camp. You have both? No, see, this is the problem about Twitch. Y'all motherfuckers always go on here and put just whatever answer pisses me off. It doesn't matter what it is. Somehow there's always just like, you know that. You know it. Okay? Oh, I did that. No, you didn't. Okay, you didn't. Does 3 years at a uni and a boot camp count? I got that. Damn. Both. BA in philosophy and a little boot camp. Okay, but that's different. They're saying a degree in programming, followed by that. Damn, this song is a banger. Okay, maybe I'm out of touch. No? Okay, so 11 people apparently did it. A lot of people have nothing. They're just like, I'm just programming, dog. You'll dog. Just programming. Whoa. Prime was the guy in the top image wearing a bulletproof vest while coding? Absolutely. Maybe an English degree? Maybe, yeah, but that's different, right? That makes sense. You went to college and you got some stupid-ass degree. You came out with a liberal arts degree. Why won't they pay me money? You know, and you're all confused that all you can do is tell people about effectively nothing and why no one will pay you. And then guess what you do? You go to a programming boot camp. That's completely normal, and I support that. I actually think that's a really great idea to go to liberal arts. That's actually how schools used to be. Did you know that? You do 4 years of liberal arts, and then you would specialize, right? Like that was a real thing in the for most of college degree, like in a proper educational pursued society. That's how it's supposed to be, but we're not that. Anyways, why am I not getting paid for my underwater basket weaving degree? I know. Anyways, let's keep on going. Okay. Software developer programming languages and daily tasks. Okay, the requirements and responsibilities for software developers vary by position. Generally, they are expected to have proficiency in various computer languages and operating systems. What? I have literally never heard anyone be like, could you tell me about Ubuntu and Windows, please? The following are some common tasks that software developers may perform. Plan, design, develop, customize, test, and maintain computer software and applications or systems that address specific user needs. Okay. Use customer feedback to upgrade existing software and systems to make them more effective or efficient. Create and maintain documentation for the system applications. Use a variety of programming languages such as Python, C++, JavaScript, Java. Hold it back. Hold it back. Now, personally, when I first read this, obviously I gave them the benefit of the doubt. Oxford comma issue. They clearly just Oxford comma this because clearly they understood that when you use CSS plus HTML, it's actually a Turing complete language. They knew. But then I looked at all their other ands, and guess what? This one doesn't have it either, right? And it just keeps the test and maintain, right? So this is just bam. All right, what is a software engineer? All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Who's Turing? His name's Alan. Software engineers are considered a type of software developer. They are involved in all stages of software development lifecycle using programming languages, architecture, and structural design to develop. What is structural design? And how does it differ? Oh, damn it, I am not a software engineer. Dang it. Software engineers typically work in teams with other developers, project managers, product managers, and other professionals. Software engineers consider all components of a project and how potential solutions may affect the project overall. Software engineers earn an average annual salary of 91. You suck! Man, software engineers ain't got shit on software developers. Look at that. Look at that. They got nothing. You got nothing. You got nothing. Nothing. Oh, man, that feels so good. This is great. All right, while the BLS doesn't provide job growth data specifically for software engineers, employment of software developers, quality assurance analysts, and testers is expected to decrease 25%. Wait, is that the same number they set up here? I thought it was... Oh, because they threw in an extra couple classes of people. Okay. All right, what's the difference? A bachelor in computer science, information technology. I got computer science, by the way. Just so you know, I'm a software engineer. Been one, be one, going to be one. Information technology, or a related discipline that is often preferred for software engineering roles. These degrees teach coding, skills, mathematics, theoretical concepts, and other fundamentals. In addition to their college education, many software engineers receive training through boot camps. What? It happened again! To learn new skills quickly, various boot camps offer hands-on training and teach specific programming languages. Boot camps are a great option for tech professionals without college degrees. Software engineering daily tasks. Okay, let's see this. While job responsibilities may vary on position, below are typical tasks that software engineers perform regularly. Solve problems using system-level approaches that consider how potential solutions might affect the entire system rather than just one component. And they get paid less. Huh. Collaborate with stakeholders, customers, and engineers to ensure software applications or systems meet requirements. That reads like a job opening. I collaborate and create synergy between several multidiscipline branches of enterprise solutions. Like, what the hell are you even saying? What the hell are you saying? Use a variety of computer programming languages such as JavaScript. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second right now. Wait. Do that. Okay. Now we got that one here. You forgot something. Okay. I'm gonna do this with. I'm a computer scientist, so I wouldn't actually read this. I'd build something to help me. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna hit it with a little. Can I just call sort on this thing? Whoopsies. What's the proper way to do this? Can I call sort on this? Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought. As a computer scientist. Okay. Whoopsies. All right. There we go. All right, what do we got here? Okay, so we got C++, CSS, HTML, Java, JavaScript, Python. They know the same thing! They know the same things! What the hell are we even reading? Software engineers are considered a type of software developer. They are involved in all stages of the software development lifecycle using programming languages. Wait, I already read this. I was like, damn, this sentence is the same. Difference between, okay, what's the difference? They reordered it. They literally just reordered it. I feel so bamboozled right now. This is Jippity generated. Software developer and engineering roles overlap, but the key differences exist between them. Consider the following differences when making a career decision. One makes a lot more money, the other one doesn't, so you. That's the answer, right? Software engineers take a big picture role, consider all components on a project to ensure it meets stakeholders' requirements. On the other hand, software developers develop and maintain software to solve the problems. Okay. So, hold on. Are software engineers, are they that guy? No, see, I talk to the customers. Software developers make sure software functions effectively, while software engineers ensure software meets stakeholders' overall requirements. But you just told me up here that they use customer feedback to improve and make it more efficient and correct. And you ensure that it addresses users' needs. So which one is it? Which one is it? Which one? I'm feeling very lied to. Okay, hold on. I'm feeling very lied to. I missed the whole similarity section. What's the similarity section? Both play a part in creating software and programs. Okay. Both know comparable computer Okay. Both write code and test it. Okay. Both use comparable frameworks, libraries such as Ruby on Rails, very up-to-date, hip, Spring. Everybody loves Django. Everyone loves Django Unchained. Turbo Gears. I've literally never heard of Turbo Gears. Can somebody for a second tell me what that is? Convince me right now this is not a Roblox reference right now, or I'm going to be upset. What the hell is Turbo Gears? Python thing? Is that like Turbo Pascal? Yes. Dude, cool kids are using Turbo Gears. Shee! Gosh, look at me. I'm so stupid. Turbo Gear go crazy. All right, anyways, software, let's see, hold on. Let's see, software engineers typically work with end clients. You know, I've always been a big fan of the old end client. Software developers and non-technical stakeholders, while software developers typically work with software engineers, quality assurance specialists, and software testers. Wow. I can't believe how ignorant I've been this whole time. There's a difference between software engineers and software developers. Like, imagine if only I knew that. Just don't tell Netflix the difference, because right now I'm a senior software engineer, and I think if they find out the difference, they're going to lower my pay. So can you let's just all agree that we didn't read this article or we're all software developers. Can we all agree to that? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, good. Are you even a software engineer if you don't know Turbo Gears? What article? Chelstastic? How were you? The name is the Software Developer Engine. Please give me $127,000 now.